Hi everyone! If you like rich brioche bread and sweet fragrant coconut filling, then you're in the right place. Today we're making a delicious coconut bread. Let me show you how to create this Chinese bakery staple right at home. First things first, the flour. Most recipes calls for bread flour, but I've also used all-purpose flour many times with excellent results. So I'd say if you have bread flour, use it. Otherwise, AP flour would work just fine. Next, add some active dry yeast into lukewarm milk and let it dissolve. In the meantime, add an egg to the flour mixture and roughly mix it in. Then let your stand mixer do the work as you add in the yeasty milk. Beat on low speed for 7 minutes. Then add in your softened butter and mix it on low until the butter has been incorporated into the dough. And then on 3 for 10 to 15 minutes, at which time you will have a pretty sticky and soft dough. Pull it out of the bowl and into a ball. Then add a few drops of oil into the bowl. Coat the dough with the oil, cover, and leave it to rise. I like to put it in my oven with the lights on and door closed. Now let's make the coconut filling. Mix together melted butter, sugar, 80% of 1 beaten egg. Reserve the rest for the egg wash later. And of course, the star ingredient, desiccated coconut. Mix it and then flatten it into an even layer in the bowl. This will make it easier to divide later. Depending on the temperature of your home, after 1 to 2 hours, your dough will have risen to the point where if you poke a hole in the middle, it will not bounce back. Now it's ready to be shaped into our coconut bread. Divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Then roll out each piece into a long oval shape. Spread a third of the filling evenly on the dough, leaving an inch or so uncovered. Flatten the edges with your fingers and start rolling. Once rolled, pinch the ends and sides to close tight. Repeat the process a couple more times, and you will have 3 equal-sized cylinders. To shape the bread, cut each cylinder in half. Expose the inside layers and twist it to form a braid. Pinch the ends tightly close again and then tuck it into your loaf pan. Nestle the 3 pieces together, but leave some room in between for it to rise again. After about an hour, it should be ready to bake. Use the eggs we saved earlier and very gently brush a layer of egg wash on top. And then put it in your oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade. Halfway through the cooking process, I like to cover it with tin foil to prevent further browning on the top. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. When it's done, take it out of the pan immediately and leave it to cool on a wire rack. And there you have it, a super fragrant, slightly sweet coconut bread that will fill your home with the most amazing and intoxicating aroma. Rip it open and you will find soft brioche bread layered with sweet and slightly crunchy coconut filling. It's really good right out of the oven, But if you want to store it, put it in a sealable plastic bag and eat it warm from the toaster the next day. It'll be good either way. Try it for yourself. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more. And as always, check out my blog at jensfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.